concerns. That special economic zone shouldn't be an easy access for the
Absolutely,
terrorists
absolutely,
to get
absolutely.
inside.
देखिए बिल्कुल आई एग्री विथ यू, ये प्रॉब्लम रहेगा। आई एम श्योर ये रिस्क को इन्होंने देखा होगा। बट देन देखिए पीपल टू पीपल जो कॉमन आम आदमी है यहाँ पर और वहाँ पर, इनको ये चाहिए नहीं। ये एलिमेंट्स आपको कभी ना कभी बीच में आ ही जाएंगे। लेकिन इफ़ वी टेक अ फुट डाउन एंड से कि नहीं हमको यही करना है, तो हम कर सकते हैं। यू नो, एंड वी हैव टू मेक अ जॉइंट एफर्ट टुवर्ड्स फाइटिंग दिस। इट्स नॉट जस्ट देम or us, but it has to be a joint effort in doing this.
So you say Pakistan should take India's help in
Sure.
combating their own home terrorism.
Exactly. ये जो कश्मीर का जो मसला है, जो अगर आप कह रहे हैं, जो पाकिस्तान को दिस ऑब्सेशन ऑफ कश्मीर हैज़ टू गेट ओवर। दे हैव टू एक्सेप्ट व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड। वी हैव हैड यू नो राइट फ्रॉम 1947, फिर आपका 65 में हुआ ताशकेंत में व्हेन लाल बहादुर शास्त्री वाज देयर, देन दे फिर आपके 1971 में हुआ था व्हेन बांग्लादेश वाज फॉर्म्ड, देन शिमला अकॉर्ड हुआ था वेयर यू नो इंदिरा गांधी एंड you know I think it was Zulfikar Bhutto when they accepted, उन्होंने agree किया था कि भाई ALOC है, इस लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल को हम चाहते हैं, and let us hope that one day this will be considered as a border between the two countries, you know, and इन लोगों ने accept किया था। अच्छा, उसके बाद में भी they violated that और कारगिल में आए। फिर कारगिल में भी when G8 and the United States put pressure कि भाई आपको ये हल करना ही है, तो you know then it was agreed कि चलो ठीक है and you know we will just let it be there and इसको bilaterally हम सॉल्व करेंगे। तो ये सब होने के बाद भी अगेन यू नो एक मसला है फिर कश्मीर। तो दे कीप गेटिंग बैक टू दैट। आई टेल यू वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल ऑफ देयर ऑब्सेशन, कितनी ये मतलब कितना नशा है इसका अगेंस्ट इंडिया का। जूनागढ़ वाज ए स्टेट at the time of independence which also acceded to India। पहले वो पाकिस्तान को एक्सेस हो गया था, you know they had acceded to Pakistan, Junagadh, because the prince, the Nawab of Junagadh was a Muslim, but the public, the people were, the subjects population was all Hindus, majority of the Hindus। तो वो इसलिए किया था कि that Muslim ruler, apparently the Nawab at that time was Shahnawaz Bhutto, her grandfather, you know, Shahnawaz Bhutto was the Nawab of Junagadh, Benazir Bhutto's grandfather. You see, he was Zulfikar Ali's father. So he was the Nawab. So what happened was Junagadh was given to Pakistan, and immediately when it was realized that it was only due to the folly of one person, immediately India intervened, and there were two states of Mangrol and Babariya Ward, two princely states inside Junagadh who revolted. They said कि भाई नहीं, हमको तो नहीं रहना है पाकिस्तान के, हमको तो इंडिया के साथ रहना है, हम तो सारे हिंदू, हम कैसे पाकिस्तान के साथ रहेंगे। तो then VP Menon came and he formed what you call as RZ Hukumat in Mumbai along with Samal Das Gandhi. They formed a government in exile in Mumbai, and then they did this whole diplomacy. It was initiated by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and then Junagadh was given back to India. Okay, but see, the obsession of Pakistan, even today, after 67, they still believe Junagadh is theirs. They have a Junagadh house in Karachi, जहाँ पे Junagadh का flag लगा हुआ है, और वहाँ के लोगों को पाकिस्तान government has given some special facilities. अभी आज की दिन भी there is the land of Junagadh which belongs to Pakistan, which they assume, and there are vehicles where you have special number plates, Junagadh number plates, saying that they are the Nawabs of Junagadh. So this is the height of being obsessed with something like this. तो उनको पता चला कि भाई हमारा है, जूनागढ़ भी इंडिया ने ले लिया। It's a different thing that Junagadh is not highlighted or focused in the international media as much as in Kashmir, because they just needed one thing and it's there. But so they think that Junagadh is also theirs, and they are obsessed. It's like आप बहुत सारी फिल्मों में देखते हैं, हिंदी फिल्मों में, कि भाई लड़की तो उसको चाहती नहीं है, तो लड़का जो है समझ रहा है कि मैं जो है आपको चाहता हूँ, तो अपनी जान दे रहा है, अपने हाथ काट कर रहा है, he is like that. So you see, they have to get out of this whole obsession and come on the ground and see। देखिए, ये आपकी भलाई के लिए, हमारी नहीं, ये लोगों की भलाई के लिए, जो आपकी जमहूरियत को मजबूत करने के लिए जो आपके लोग हैं, आपकी आवाम जिसको आप कहते हैं, आप उनको जो है उनके लिए आपको करना चाहिए। It is not for anything else. You have to stop this war and divert all that money to the progress of your country, to the development and to eradicate poverty, and to do whatever you can to help your country and its people, than to worry about India and fighting with India. India doesn't want to fight with you guys. But अगर ऐसा कोई माहौल बनता है जिसको करना है, तो India will also have to take a strong step, because we have only all this time we have only defended. As I told you, we never attacked, and that's not on our agenda to do so. So this is something that has to happen, And you have to see that the dialogue has to be uninterrupted, and it should be uninterruptible. It should go on. Come whatever may, whatever attack there is, whatever disturbance there is, the talks have to go on. You have to keep talking. You have to keep engaged with each other and see that somehow there is some kind of, I'm sure there will be some arrangement which is appropriate to both sides that can arrive, if at all there is something like this. So it is important that we engage, and Pakistan also engages from their side for us to proceed in the interest of the people of the Democratic Republic of India.
So what do you think is the role of the Indian Muslim in all of this, in towards achieving this peace?
See, in achieving this peace, Indian Muslim has to begin with he has to start believing, that he has to do a little bit extra since he is a Muslim, and since he is, in India, in a minority. So it is up to him to come up, stand up and prove his credentials and stand up and say, well, I stand for this country. He has to prove that he stands. You see, he has to go an extra mile.